Then welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be taking you in how to set up Alexis VPN application so that you can get a fast, secure and stable internet access in almost all countries and on all networks. So this is what we're going to be doing. Let us all gather right here where we have the Google Play Store, and then we use the Google Play Store. I'm going to do this. Go where we search from, and then type in your VPN's name, Alexis VPN application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. And this is the application I'm talking about. Install this application in your mobile device, and then after installing it in your mobile device, I'm going to do this next. Open the application as you follow these procedures. But before continuing to this application, make sure that you follow your local laws. In Uganda, you have the Computer Misuse Act. Make sure that you read that act, the 2011 Act, before continuing with this application. And make sure that you follow your internet service providers' terms and conditions. And then make sure that you follow all the YouTube community guidelines before continuing to this video, because this is for informational and educational purposes only, and even research. Those who are doing research, this tutorial is purposely for you. This is what we're going to do after opening the VPN application. Let us all gather the link where we have this one is the update. And then the reason why you are going to be updating the VPN application, so that you can be solving problems like it has failed to connect, not connecting, or not working. Those problems will be solved when you update the VPN application. And then you are going to do this next. We are going to come up right here where we have the auto server. As you see, we are going to be setting this up. We have 5 servers, and then I recommend my subscribers, then viewers, to choose the server that is near to their country's location. But before continuing to that auto server, I recommend all subscribers, viewers, to choose the auto select server, so that you can get an optimized, a fast and an online server. And then after choosing that, the auto server, we're going to do next this. We're going to come where we have the select payload right here down that where we have the all country UDP mode. We're going to set this application in this way. We're going to go where we search from right here, and then put in your country's name. Or if you fail to put in your country's name and just want the all country stuff, just wait for the video. We're going to do this. Uganda, you need a running data bundle, and other countries, for other countries, you don't need any data bundle, but for Ugandans, you need a running data bundle, and you will purchase it by pressing *100*7 *2 hash, and then you purchase that learn from home data bundle. It will be working for you to connect to this fast, secure and stable connection, or you need to activate your SIM cards before continuing to this video, so that you can enjoy the UDP service. So all countries, you can search your country's name, or you're going to choose the all country UDP mode, that one, and then close the keyboard and then connect. Thank you guys.